Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the secret world of McDonald's menu hacks. You heard that right, those golden arches hold more secrets than a vault full of Big Mac sauce. We're talking crazy combinations, flavor explosions, and maybe even a few confused looks from the cashier. You won't believe what you can create with just a few simple tweaks. Let's get started. All right, first up, we're hitting you with a flavor combo that'll blow your mind. The coffee milkshake. Imagine the perfect blend of creamy sweetness and bold coffee flavor all in one delicious drink. Yeah, you heard me right. This isn't just any ordinary milkshake, it's a game changer. We're about to mix the best of both worlds. The sweet, creamy goodness of a classic McDonald's milkshake with the rich, bold kick of espresso. It's like having your dessert and your coffee all in one go. Now, you might think I've gone crazy, but trust me on this one. This combination is a revelation for your taste buds. This ain't your grandma's milkshake, unless your grandma's got some serious coffee game. It's a modern twist on a classic favorite. This is for the true coffee connoisseurs out there, the ones who need their caffeine fix even in their dessert. It's for those who appreciate the finer things in life, like a perfectly brewed espresso. So how do you make this magical concoction? Simple, it's easier than you might think. Order yourself a vanilla milkshake, gotta stick with the classic and a shot of espresso on the side. The vanilla milkshake provides the perfect base for this creation. Now here comes the fun part. This is where the magic happens. Pour that shot right into your milkshake, mix it up real good, and boom, you've just created a masterpiece. You got yourself a coffee milkshake that'll have you saying McLovin' it. It's the perfect treat for any time of day, whether you need a pick-me-up in the morning or a sweet treat in the afternoon. So next time you're at McDonald's, don't just settle for the usual. Try this coffee milkshake and take your taste buds on an adventure. Trust us, you won't regret it. It's a simple twist that makes a world of difference. Give it a try and join the ranks of those who have discovered the ultimate caffeine kick. So go ahead, treat yourself to this delightful blend of flavors. Your taste buds will thank you. All right, guys, next up we're going big, and I mean really big. We're diving into a culinary adventure that will challenge your taste buds and your appetite. I'm talking epic proportions, a flavor combination that'll have you saying, "This is too much." But trust me, it's a journey worth taking. But then you take a bite and you're like, nah, this is just right. It's a perfect harmony of flavors that will leave you craving more. We're talking about the land, sea, and air burger. Yes, you heard that right. It's a burger that combines the best of all worlds. This ain't for the faint of heart, folks. This is a burger that demands respect and a hearty appetite. This is for the true McDonald's warriors, the ones who ain't afraid to conquer a mountain of meat and cheese. It's a challenge, but one that's incredibly rewarding. Here's the game plan. You're gonna need a beef patty, a filet-o-fish, and a McChicken. Each element brings its own unique flavor to the table. Now you might be thinking, where am I gonna find all that in one place? Well, let me tell you, it's easier than you think. Well, duh, this is McDonald's. They got you covered. Just head to your nearest location and place your order. Order up those bad boys, stack them high, and get ready for a taste bud explosion. It's a symphony of flavors that will blow your mind. This is what dreams are made of, people. It's not just a meal, it's an experience, one that you'll want to share with friends and family. This is the land, sea, and air burger, a masterpiece of fast food engineering. So go ahead, take the plunge, and enjoy every bite. Okay, let's be real for a second. Big Mac sauce is the real MVP of the McDonald's menu. I mean, it's what makes the Big Mac so damn good, right? But here's a secret. You can get that glorious sauce on pretty much anything. Yeah, you heard me right, anything. Fries, check. Nuggets, double check. That McMuffin you're craving, you bet your sweet buns it'll taste better with Big Mac sauce. Just ask for it. The cashier might look at you a little funny, but who cares? You're about to unlock a whole new level of flavor. Trust me, once you go Big Mac sauce, you never go back. It's just that good. All right, sweet tooths, this one's for you. We all know and love the McFlurry. It's the perfect way to end a McDonald's feast, right? But what if I told you that you could make it even better, like way better? Introducing the McFlurry Overload. This is for the folks who believe that there's no such thing as too much of a good thing, especially when it comes to toppings. Here's the deal. Order your favorite McFlurry Oreo M&Ms, whatever floats your boat, and then ask for extra toppings, like a lot of extra toppings. I'm talking bury that bad boy in Oreos kind of extra. The cashier might try to tell you there's a limit, but be strong, stand your ground, you deserve this. You deserve the McFlurry overload. Okay, let's be real. Sometimes you're craving a grilled cheese, but your wallet's looking a little thinner than you'd like. Don't worry, I got you. This hack is for all my budget-conscious foodies out there. The ones who know how to stretch a dollar further than a piece of gum under a school desk. We're about to unlock the secret to McDonald's cheapest, yet surprisingly satisfying menu item, the DIY grilled cheese. It's so simple, it's almost criminal. Ready for this? Order a cheeseburger. But hold the patty. That's right, just the bun and cheese. It's like a culinary magic trick. Suddenly you've transformed a regular old cheeseburger into a melty, cheesy masterpiece. All right, get ready for another wild ride because we're about to combine two McDonald's classics into one epic dessert mashup, the apple pie McFlurry. Yeah, you heard me right. We're taking that warm, gooey apple pie goodness and swirling it right into a creamy, dreamy McFlurry. Now, some of you might be thinking, that sounds kind of weird, and to that I say, don't knock it till you try it. Trust me, the combination of warm apple pie filling, flaky crust, and cold, sweet ice cream is a match made in fast food heaven. It's like a party in your mouth, and everyone's invited. Chapter 7, Poor Man's Big Mac flavor on a budget. Okay, let's be real, the Big Mac is a classic for a reason. But let's be even more real, that price tag can be a little intimidating sometimes. But fear not, my fellow bargain hunters, because I'm about to let you in on a little secret, the poor man's Big Mac. This hack is for those days when you're craving that iconic Big Mac taste but don't want to break the bank. Here's the play order a McDouble, you know, the double patty goodness that's always a win, and then ask for special sauce and lettuce. Boom! You just hacked the system. You've got yourself all the flavors of a Big Mac, but without the extra cost. Chapter 8, Chicken McGriddle. The breakfast of champions who like to party. All right, breakfast lovers, this one's for you. We're about to take your morning meal to the next level with a hack so simple, yet so genius, you'll wonder why you haven't tried it before. I'm talking about the Chicken McGriddle. Yeah, you heard me right. We're putting a crispy, juicy McChicken patty right inside those fluffy, syrup-infused McGriddle buns. It's the perfect combination of sweet, savory, and just a little bit naughty. Trust me, this ain't your average breakfast sandwich. This is a breakfast sandwich for champions. Chapter 9, DIY ice cream sandwich, because you're never too old for cookies and ice cream. All right, let's end this epic McDonald's hack journey on a sweet note, shall we? And what's sweeter than a classic ice cream sandwich? But not just any ice cream sandwich, my friends. We're talking about a DIY McDonald's ice cream sandwich. This one's so simple, it's almost embarrassing. Order yourself a soft-serve ice cream cone and a pack of those delicious McDonald's cookies. Now here comes the fun part. Take those cookies, gently pry them apart, and scoop that ice cream right onto one of the cookies. Then carefully place the other cookie on top, and boom! You've got yourself a DIY ice cream sandwich that's sure to bring back those childhood memories. Chapter 10, the I Can't Believe It's Not a Big Mac hack. All right, we've saved the best for last. This is the ultimate hack for all you McDonald's lovers out there. This hack is for the true McDonald's connoisseurs, the ones who are always looking for that next level flavor experience. If you think you've tried everything on the menu, think again. We're about to recreate the iconic Big Mac, but with a twist. Imagine getting that same delicious taste without actually ordering a Big Mac. This is the I Can't Believe It's Not a Big Mac hack. It's simple, it's genius, and it's going to change the way you order at McDonald's. Here's the secret sauce, pun intended. Order a McDouble, but ask for no ketchup and no mustard. This is the foundation of our hack. Now here's where the magic happens. This is where we transform a regular McDouble into something extraordinary. Ask for extra lettuce, extra cheese, and most importantly, extra Big Mac sauce. These additions are what make the difference. That's right, we're going all in on the sauce. The Big Mac sauce is the key ingredient that gives the Big Mac its unique flavor. Trust me, this is crucial to replicating that Big Mac flavor. Without the extra sauce, it just won't be the same. Once you've got your masterpiece assembled, take a bite and prepare to be amazed. You'll be surprised at how close it tastes to the real thing. So next time you're at McDonald's and craving a Big Mac, give this hack a try. It's a fun and delicious way to enjoy your favorite flavors without breaking the bank. And there you have it, the I Can't Believe It's Not a Big Mac hack. Enjoy your meal and happy hacking. Outro. 10 McDonald's hacks you have to try. That's it for today's video, guys. Which of these McDonald's hacks are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Until next time, peace out.